This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, just click to upload theme. Top left corner, you have an option called upload theme. Just click to that upload theme. Yes. All the add-ons which are displayed, you can close it here. That all unnecessary only. Okay, just close it. Give us upload theme. Choose a file. You have to choose your zip file which you have downloaded. Okay. Just click that particular file and click on to a open button. Yes. Then click to a install now. Upload theme. Click to upload theme. You will be getting an option. Yes. Have everyone activated Storevilla? Are you getting that link has been expired? If not, it will be getting activated. I have done for 2 to 3 times. Okay, with different size, so I am getting that particular option. If also not a problem, it will be get activated. If you are getting that problem also as a pop out, that particular thing will be activated. Yes, activated. Super. See here, just I have to click on to activate. Now I have installed the Storevilla as my option. Now just I have to click on the activate button.
After choosing files, after choosing the file,
just
continue.
yes. After choosing the file, just click on the install and continue. Just when what I can do when it comes, no problem, Claudia. Till WordPress, you take that particular link and give enter. Yes, yes, Nived Ratna, are you clear? So to check whether it has been activated or not, go to our top left corner. You have your website name, right? Below that you have visit website, right? Just right click and give it as an open link in new tab. You have your website name. Under that you have a drop down visit site, right? Right click that and give us an open link in new tab. Yes. Yes, activated yours. Nived Ratna, have you done? Okay, okay, fine. For everyone, have you activated your theme? After activation, if you are going to that particular theme, it will be shown active. What the current theme is activated, that will show as a active. you will be getting this particular layout for a store villa. Yes. Yes, everyone is getting this one. No, ma'am, it shows link expired. No problem, Shri Balaji. If it shows link expired, no problem. It will be getting installed. Okay. Just take down the expired link from the URL alone till WordPress. Give enter. It will be getting activated. Yes. No problem if it shows expired. Yes, got it. Super. Balaji, if it shows expired also, no problem. You take that particular expired slash till slash, you have the till.com, right? Keep till WP admin, okay? Till keep the link till WP admin. Rest of the thing you take it from that particular link and give enter. It will move to your desktop. Ratna, have you got? Nivet Ratna? Balaji? Otherwise, in the URL part, you give your website name, that is your domain name, dot 000webpostapp.com/wp-admin. We give this one. Okay. Instead of my domain name, you give your domain name alone. Okay. Instead of my domain name, you give your domain name alone. Just click to this particular link. Instead of my domain name, you give your domain name. Cart123 is my domain name. Instead of that, you give your domain name. It will redirect you to a dashboard. Yes, yes, Super Balaji. Okay, now the store villa have been activated. After creating a theme, what we have to do? Next step, we have to go for a plugin. Okay, everyone have done with the permalink, right? Permalink. Where you have to go for a permalink? You have to inside the settings. You have to go for a permalink. In that, you have to go for a option post name. Okay. If not updated, just update it. See, inside setting, you have to go for a permalinks. In that option, on a common settings, you have a multiple options there. You go for a post name. For what this particular thing we are giving, ma? For giving a proper URL to our website. Okay. For example, website slash our page name will be redirected in a proper manner. Okay. If you are not given a permalink, go to a permalink and under common setting, give the option as post name and click to a save changes. Yes, dears, done. Next, we can see what does mean by a plugin. What does mean by a plugin? Why we want to go for a plugin? Already we have a theme. We have a design layout with us, right? So we can go for a design itself, right? Why we want to go for a plugin installation? What is the need of plugin installation? See, it's a plugin is nothing but a small software, okay? In that, we have some design. We will be giving additional features to it. Okay, we have a theme. Plugin is nothing but it is a small software with different categories, with different feature. Whatever we feature want to add up to our website, by using the plugins, we can add up. Okay, clear? It is extra features which are available in a different software. whatever the plugins we are in need for our website. By using the plugins, we can give add-ons to our website. Clear? Clear, dears? Yes? Yes? Yes, super, super. Okay, so we have now we are going for e-commerce site, right? So in e-commerce site, the major part is our cart. Whatever the user will be entered to our site, after if they are like for a particular dress or material or products, they will be clicking to that product and they either want to put it in a wish list or they want to purchase. They want to go for a cart. So that to make a cart, we already have a plugin for it. Okay, so we'll be adding those plugins. For adding to a wish list, we have one plugin. For adding to a cart, we have one plugin. Okay, we'll be adding that plugins to our theme now. Okay, so go to plugin. Go to plugin. We are going to go to plugin. Installed, or you can see what are the installed plugin already available. See all the ads, you can close it so that you can have a clear layout. See, these are the plugins already installed in my system. These are the things I don't want now. Okay, so I can click and delete it before adding my plugins. See, these are the plugins. By default, it has been added in my system already. So go to plugin, go to plugin. After clicking post name, what to do? No, don't want to, Kavi, don't want to go for post. Go for a plugin. In that, you go for install the plugin option. Already, can see what are the plugin already has been installed. Okay, go to plugin and go to install the plugin. Check all the plugins and delete it. I don't want anything. Yes. I will add the plugin whatever necessary for my website. Okay, I don't want any of these plugins, so I am deleting everything. Just go to plugin, install plugin. In that, you go to a plugin option. In that, you have certain plugin already. It is installed, which I don't want for my website creation as of now. So I'm clicking all the plugin option and I'm giving as a delete. In drop down, you have a multiple option. For a bulk action, you have activate, you have deactivate, you have update, you have an option called delete. You can go for a delete option. Yes, if it is deactivated, also not an issue. Yes, if it will be getting deactivated. Okay, then all in one WP migration you have, right? Just click to a deactivate. As of now, we don't want. So just click to a deactivate. Next, Google Analytics for WordPress by Master Insights, right? That also you just deactivate it. Yes, I no longer need the plugin. So submit and deactivate. Yes. It is asking for a confirmation. WordPress alone, it is WordPress Analytics. It is asking for a confirmation. Just give us deactivate. If we are giving a overload, our site will be getting slow down, right? So only we are deactivating the remaining plugins. You can have a multiple plugin. It is not an issue. If multiple plugin is running, what will happen? Your system will be getting slow, right? So only I'm deactivating everything. Whatever necessary as of now, I'm activating that alone. Okay, dears. Just log in again. Yes. Plugins. Install plugins. If it is not deactivating, leave it, Kavin, as such, leave it, not a problem. Okay. Next, we can install whatever the plugin we are needed. Okay. We are in need of 5 main plugin as of now. One is said to be to add a new plugin. Go to plugin, add new, add new. Go to plugin, add new, add new option. In search menu, you search for Access Press Social Share. I will type it in a chat first. Okay. Access Press Social Share. This is our first plugin. Access Press Social Share. Yes, you can see on the first one, right? Access Press Social Share. Just click on a install now. See, to see the description of this, you can see here itself. Share your site. You are in most popular social media. What are the social media available here? But this, what are the social media available? What is said to be a social media? Yes. What we will be saying as a social media? Yes, FB, Insta, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp. Yes, these are the things. How the website will be get published with the public, how they will be coming about the website, yes. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, how the people came to know about these things. Very popularly, how they came to know about these things. Mostly the people are using Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and all, right? How they yeah, through ad. How that they are giving that. That they are giving that. Through television, are they giving often? Only in the television they are giving? No, because the people are migrated from the television to a social medias, right? FB, most of the people using a FB and Twitters, right? LinkedIn, everything, right? So they are giving the ads there. To give to publish our site and give an ad there, we need a access from social share. Okay, just click to a install now. Just give a install now. Second plugin is said to be a WooCommerce. WOO space. Oh, I need to type it here, right? WOOCOMMERCE. WooCommerce. Second plugin is a WooCommerce. This is used to create a necessary pages and it is used to give a payment gateway for us. Okay. Whether we have to get it after we are selling a product, after the product is sitting to a cart, how we want to get the payment from the customer. That particular mode will be set by using a WooCommerce. Okay. It also give a necessary pages which are needed for our e-commerce site. Okay. Just give install now. WooCommerce came up. Yes, install it, Sabarish. For you people, it is installed. Yes. So third one is just click as WITH. WITH in search bar. Plugin search bar. Just give us WITH. It shows number of things, right? We are going to take only 3 plugins from here. Okay. And we can Nityashri, we can activate later. Just install it now. Okay, I will show how to activate. It shows number of things, right? Now for this particular thing, we are going for a WooCommerce compare. You have something called WITH WooCommerce compare, right? WooCommerce compare, right? Just click on install. What this product will do? It will give a comparison of the 2 products. Okay, for giving a comparison, we will be using this particular thing. WTH WooCommerce compare. Install now. Next, WITH WooCommerce quick view. Quick view. Where I have my quick view. Or you type it here. Fully, if you are typing here, it will come for you. WITH WooCommerce quick view. WITH. Yes. WITH WooCommerce quick view. This is the name of the next plugin. See, this particular plugin is used to give a preview of the product. If you are giving a product, if you want to purchase a product, by seeing a single image, you will be going for getting a product. If you want to get a dress, for that particular dress, you will have multiple images, right? Left side, right side, back side. So if you are giving that, you will have a preview page of multiple pages, right? So that particular thing will be having this particular plugin. Okay. I have given in a chat bot. Okay, just check to it. The last plugin is WITH WooCommerce wish list. If you like a particular product, you will be adding to the wish list, right? So that particular thing to make to a wish list, you have something called WITH wish list. Yes, just install that particular thing. See, I have given in a chat bot. If you're not able to get it, just take and paste it and search. Yes, have everyone installed? Next, to activate these particular plugins. How many plugins we have added? Totally 5 plugins, right? Yes. Totally how many plugins we have added? 5, right? So to activate these particular plugins, go to plugin, installed plugin option. Go to installed plugin option. Yes, yes. 5 plugins. Go to install. First activate our first one, Access Plus Social Share. Click on activate. You have under that name itself, you have something called activate delete, right? Just click on activate. Wish list is not coming, man. Wait, I will give you. Nityashri, I have pasted in a chat board, right? Just just copy as such and put it to your search.
If you have any spelling mistake, you cannot get your plugin. So type your plugins properly.
Okay, take as such. Yeah, okay, okay. Take as such and paste it in your search. Okay, Nityashri, tell me the plugin list name. I have pasted in chat, baby. Nityashri, I have pasted for you. Yeah. Have you got Nityashri? Okay, okay, great. Okay, after activating Access Plus on social share, next move to what is our second one? WooCommerce, right? Just click WooCommerce, activate. Second one, activate your WooCommerce. Yes, it is asking for get your store up and running more quickly with our new. We have to set up for this. Okay. After clicking WooCommerce, you will be getting this particular page pop out. Yes. Have everyone got this one? You are clicking WooCommerce, activate. If it is getting activated, you will be getting this particular page. Purple color and white combination, beautiful page. Yes. Yes, everyone. Yes, Arvind, great. The remaining people, yes, yes, super. Yes, Kavin, next. Priyadarshan, Sabarish. Yes. Manswini. Kavin Prasad. Yes, everyone have got it. Yes. Yes, Rihana. Can you say again, once again, what you want? Tell what you have stuck up, the Nityashri. Where you are now? Where you are now? Nityashri, you alone speak, Nityashri. Nityashri, speak through your microphone. Where you are now? I'm in store setup. Yes, have you installed all the 5? Just have you installed all the 5? Yeah, go with it, Balaji. Go with it.
Yes,
Nityashri,
ma'am. Just
have
now I
you?
installed everything, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Come to
Installed
a
everything,
plugin.
ma'am.
Have you installed? Now you are in a WooCommerce page.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Install and come
Only
to
thing if you
activation.
activate, just go
Okay,
with
come to
activation. Then, yeah.
come to activation. Plugin, installed plugin. You have option called install plugin, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just click to install the plugin.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see all the installed plugins there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, first activate the Access Plus social share. After that, activate your WooCommerce. Okay? If you're
Okay, ma'am.
activating WooCommerce, you will get this particular layout. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Nityashri? Okay, great, great. After you are getting this particular layout, just click to a yes, please. Yes, we are going to set up our store now. Okay? Yes, please.
Yes, Kana, you need to do your store setup. So I hope
Saranya, you show in your system.
my screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It is.
Kana, are you all getting the same screen? Yes. Yes, right? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So you need to do your store setup. So what is the purpose of this store setup is you need to find out, I mean, you need to set up what is the price of your shipping and from which and what is the payment mode you are going to get from the customer and how you are going to deliver your amount from one customer to the other and from you to the seller, all these things. Sabarish, why, what is the issue? Why are you not getting store setup? Why? Kanavai, what is the issue? You must get store setup. Harini, can you tell what is the screen you are getting now? Rihana came. Fine. Sabarish, Sarvanakumar and Harini, what is the issue you are getting? So once if you have activated all your plugins properly, you will get your store setup screen. Yes. Yes, fine. Fine. I hope everyone got your store setup. Now, what you need to do is you need to do your store setup. So where your store has been stored, you need to first give your location. As my store has been stored in India, I need to choose it as India. And the exact address of where it has to be, where your location has been stored, that should be given over here. Okay. So give your address so that from this location, from this location, you're going to deliver your products to your customers. That is what the meaning of this. So you can have it over like this. Then what currency you are going to have. So you need to store, you need to give your Indian rupee. So as Indian rupee. So based on this only the product's price will be there. So if you are giving it in dollar, I mean like your products will be in, your product price will be in dollars. As we are going, as we are in India, we are going to select as Indian rupee. Then what type of products you are planning to sell. So for this, you need to choose what all the types of products you are going to sell, whether it is about clothing product or about your digital products. Digital products means either electronic products, all your electronic products comes under digital products. So I'm planning to sell both my physical and digital products so that I can include more number of images into my e-commerce website. Clear? And I will also be selling products. So does not mean that I'm going to just create my website. I can also sell my own product. So Amazon and Flipkart have their own product to sell, right? So that is what the option it is asking. So I'll also be selling the product. So I will also be one of the customer in my e-commerce website. So next we can go for next page. So next you can give it continue. So usage of tracking can be done if you are using this plugin. Okay, so if you are going to enable it so that you can track your usage from your website. So I'm clicking and I'm giving continue. You can give any address, Kana. As of now, you are going to have your a demo website, right? As you are going to have your demo address, you can have your any address. Just give it as CB Coimbatore. It's enough because it is you are not going to publish this anywhere, right? So give your own address, or you can give your home address, or you can give just CBE. It's okay. Fine. I hope you all have come to the payment section, right? Yes, you all came to payment section where you are going to check your no. Why Kaniridami? Just give all the options which is been available in your store setup. Why dears? Just give all the options in your store setup. Now I cannot go back. I'm getting error. What kind of error you are getting, Kana? What kind next is yes, you can proceed with your next step. Yes, came to payment side. Fine. So if you come to payment side, you can use a PayPal PayPal method of securing your payment method. Enhanced store stop setup. Enhanced store setup. Can you please copy and paste your screen? Is it possible to copy the image into the came to payment setup? Fine. What about Niveda Ratna? Nityashri, I hope you are getting. Rihana Banu, fine. Kaniridami, yes. Priyadarshan, fine. Kaniridami, Nityashri, good. Fine. Kaniridami, what can I cannot install Jetpack.
Okay, super
I
Sabarish.
hope you will get. Kaniridami, fine. Just stop with. If you cannot install Jetpack, you should have installed your. Have you all activated your plugin? If you have activated your plugin properly, definitely you will get. The WooCommerce website is not coming.
Have you installed, Devendra Ratna? Have you installed that particular plugin, dear?
Yes, ma'am. In plugin window, it is showing like that WooCommerce deactivate and setting, ma'am.
Okay, you will
Okay,
be getting
Kana, just
particular
go on to your dashboard.
Ma'am,
In dashboard, you will have an option for setup of WooCommerce, right?
1 second, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No? What is
No,
the thing
ma'am.
you are getting?
Ma'am, it's get loading, ma'am.
It's getting loaded. Okay,
Yes,
after loading it, it will divert you to this particular page, dear.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, till payment mode we can close it. Okay, today's class till payment we can close it, dears. If you're not getting, it will be loaded for you. For some people, it is getting loaded right after loading your things. Make a store setup and come to a payment alone. Till this particular stage, You come till payment mode and stop it. Okay, we can see the remaining things in next class. Okay, everyone is okay with it? Shall we move to a game? Fun game?
Anirudh, I will check into it.